Hey, hard times I had you looking for a job like your job ain't good enough. When really all it is that you so far fucking behind that it's taking more than what you need to catch the fuck up. But you gonna get there. Just be patient. Keep waiting. You know what I'm saying? Praying as you talking to God, meditation as you listen to God, affirmations as you talking to the God within you. So you do all three, you're gonna get to where you're supposed to be. That's what I was always told, that's what I was always taught, so now that's what I'm telling you.